The Met Ball may be fashion's biggest night, but it was nice to see the star-studded crowd not take themselves too seriously. Here are the 5 most memorable moments from Monday's festivities. Number 1, Jay-Z proposes to Beyonce. Okay, so he fake proposes. After his wife dropped one of her rings, Jay went down to grab it, but instead of just handing her the bling, the rapper made a little show of it as he bowed down to slip it on her finger. Nothing less for Queen Bee. Number 2, Cara Delevingne one-ups Jennifer Lawrence. After J-Law's hilarious photobomb of Sarah Jessica Parker at last year's festivities, the young supermodel decided to continue the tradition, jumping behind Rihanna, Reese Witherspoon, and a couple other stars posing for pics. Of course, Cara was quickly invited into the Cool Kids Club photo. Number 3, couple showing PDA. Kanye grabbed a handful of his soon-to-be wife Kim's infamous booty, while Tom Brady couldn't keep his eyes and lips off his supermodel wife Gisele Bündchen. I mean, can you blame him? Number 4, wardrobe malfunctions. I mean, what's the red carpet without a few slips here and there? Rita Ora, Kim Kardashian, and Zoe Kravitz were just some of the stars who accidentally revealed a little too much for cameras Monday night. Number 5, the after party. Especially when it involves Rihanna wearing something like this. I mean, is there really anything else to say? Subscribe for more Hollywood red carpet news. Click here for best moments from the iHeartRadio Music Awards, and click here for details on Kim and Kanye's upcoming wedding.